Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So I am honored to say Mass for the Talita Kum Healing Mass. And I remember our national artist who died recently, our very own Nora Honor. You know, my tita, Tita Mila, when she is still a teenager, she loves Nora, Noranyan. No? At nakita ko sa TV, sa Heritage, yung Noranyan din at matalik na kaibigan na dating nagtrabaho sa Malacanang. At sinama pa si Ate Sally ni Gigi Bondok. No? At you can see how Gigi missed her best friend. Sabi nga, pagka nawala na yung tao, doon natin lalong pinahalagahan, yung taong talagang nagmahal. Kaya dito sa gospel, we know the passion of the Lord, how He has incurred so much pain because of tortures until He was crucified and died on the cross. So the apostles, the disciples felt that absence of the Lord. At before the Mass, yung ating first reader, yung beautiful na inside and outside. Walang iba si Ma'am Long Avellana. Tignan nyo na lang. Yung beauty pang Miss Universe, Nilapitan ako, Father. Ganyan siya, Pagka siya'y nandito sa Manila, she wants to serve in the Mass, ay yung pari na magmimisa, bibigyan niya ng pasalubong. 2 box ng tupig, Kasi na-promote na po siya. Ang area niya ngayon ay Tarlac, Pangasinan, La Union, ano pa? Pati Baguio ba? Hindi, Kasi naalala ko, sabi dito sa gospel, 14344. Ang tanong ng Panginoon, ay sagot ni Peter, I love you very much. Kaya 14344. At ang pagmamahal is expressed by providing the food. Kasi sabi ni Lord, do you love me? And then if you love me, feed my lambs, feed my sheep, tend my flock. Kaya alam ko, si Miss Long, mahal niya lahat ng pari. Kasi laging meron siyang pakakanin. Kaya makita niyo yung pari, imbis na sumesexy, lumalapad. Kaya masasabi natin, naalala ko, yung tupig. Kasi every Holy Week, the family goes to Mirador Retreat House in Baguio. And before we reach Baguio, we would have to stay in a restaurant in Pangasinan, o La Union. At yung binibili namin habang nagtanghalian ay yung tupig. Kaya memorable sa akin, kasi nanay, tatay ko kasama namin nagre-retreat. Holy Week. Ngayong wala na sila, gusto ko laging umakyat ng Baguio because of good old memories. We build such good memories. Hanggang sa ako'y bago ko ordinahang deacon, no, we have our 40 days retreat or 30 days retreat in sa mga madre, no, sa may humahawak ng San Lorenzo, yung Assumption College, no? So pag nandoon kami, no, 30-day retreat, no? And graduation in philosophy, graduation in theology. Before the graduation, we have a retreat in Baguio. No? Kaya dito po sa gospel, the apostles miss so much the Lord when He died. No? Kaya sabi ni San Pedro, no, to lighten up, let us go to the shore and let us go fishing. Kasi kasama nila, ang activities nila ay kasamang Panginoon. No, for 3 years. No? Sa pagtulog kung saan sila matutulog, sa pagpaparami ng pagkain, sa pagtuturo sa kanila, at kung minsan sila'y nakakagalitan kasi hindi pa nila makuha yung sabi na the Lord will be betrayed. The Lord will be turned to the authorities. And then He will be tortured and then died and then He will rise again from the dead. Kaya malungkot sila, pero hating gabi, buong magdamag, wala silang huli. Kaya makita nyo, malungkot na sila sa pagdadalamhati, malungkot pa sila, walang huli. But before the dawn breaks, no, pagbubukang liwayway, no, the Lord appeared. And on the shore, no, nagsiga siya, nag-ihaw ng ilang isda, and then nagdala ng tinapay. Nakita ng Panginoon, malungkot na malungkot ang mga fishers of men. So He addressed them, said, why you not throw the net on the right side of the boat? At pagkatapos, they obeyed. They lowered their nets. And then when they were pulling up, no, it was a huge catch. 153 big fish they hold to the shore. And when they realized it was the Lord, immediately they would want to meet the Lord. And the Lord would even say, bring some of your catch and I will cook it for our breakfast. Saan ka nakakita ng isang boss, no, ng isang authority, no, pagka sa trabaho, professional, but outside work, a true intimate friend, the Lord. Kaya anong ginawa ng Panginoon? No? He served them. Then, He addressed Simon Peter, because He chose him to be the first pope. Sabi niya, Simon, son of John, do you love me? No, 1, 3, 4. Sagot ni Peter, yes, Lord, I love you. And then the Lord said, feed my sheep. And then second time, the same, yes, Lord, I love you. Then the Lord said, tend my sheep. And for the third time, do you love me? And Peter said, a bit hurt, no? Kasi 3 beses, no, tinanong, parang 3 beses pinapaalala sa kanya, pinagkaila niyang Panginoon. Sabi ng babae sa Sanhedrin, sa tribunal, are you not one of the apostles of Jesus? And then Peter was so afraid. He said, no, I don't know him. Sino siya? No? 3 beses Na, tinanong siya, di ba ikaw kasama ni Jesus? 3 beses niyang pinagkaila ang Panginoon. Kaya sabi ni San Pedro, you know everything inside my heart and you know that I love you. And then the Lord, feed my lambs. No? Love can be expressed, no, by feeding. No? Nanay natin, mahal tayo. Kaya siya nagluluto para tayo maging malusog. No? At ganun din ang Good Shepherd. No? Sabi niya, feed my sheep. No? The Good Shepherd would lead his lambs towards green pasture. No? Kaya maganda, no, we continue the mission of the Lord. Not only feeding the church of bread, fish, and great food. No, 'di ba kapag merong earthquake victims, merong volcanic eruption victims, flood victims, fire victims, 'di ba ang church would organize as if passing the hat and let us give relief goods to these victims. No, ganun pong Panginoon. Sabi nga niya, man does not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God. Not only physical food that we are fed. The Lord would want us to be fed by His Word and by His body and blood. No? Kaya maganda po na tayong lahat, no? Sabi nga sa isang lumang kanta, walang sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. All of us are members of the church. And we are our own brothers and sisters keepers. Amen.
Thank you for joining us. View our past broadcast on the St. Peter Community YouTube channel and St. Peter Community Facebook page. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified on our upcoming activities. Maraming salamat po at laging tandaan, unahin natin lagi ang Diyos.